Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today we're going to be doing some chicken cordon bleu, but not the traditional way. We're not going to be breading it and frying it. We're going to be taking our boneless, skinless chicken breast, which I've already gone ahead and trimmed off the fat and everything that I wanted off of it. Looks good. We're going to be smoking these today. I'm going to show you how. Stick around. Here's what we're going to do. Take a Ziploc bag, open it up, put your chicken breast inside. Just like this. Our breast is inside. Close that up now. Now we're going to take our meat mallet and we're going to flatten out the breast. Our chicken breast is now flattened out, just like that. Next step we're going to do, take some of our barbecue Pit Boys poultry powder. It smells good. And we're just going to give it a light dusting on the inside, just like this. Just a light dusting on the inside. There we go. That back. Next, we're going to take a piece of our Swiss cheese, put that right there, just like that. And last, we're going to take a piece of our ham, put our ham in there, just like that. Now I'm going to get another glove. I don't want to get my hand dirty. Not that I can't wash it, I can. Just want to wear another glove. Then what we're going to do, fold over the edges of the chicken, just like that, the edges of the chicken, and roll it up. There we go. Hit it on the outside with a little more, the poultry powder. Get on the ends. This should be good. There we go. Look at that. A little more on the bottom. There you have it. One ready. I'm going to get the rest of these ready now. Our pit has come up to temp. We're cooking at 225 degrees today. So here we go. Let's get these on. Should get some nice smoke. This is going to be the first time we're trying this poultry powder by the barbecue Pit Boys. Should be good. Let's see, so there we go. Got 5 of those, and then I just got a couple with just plain old salt and pepper. There you have it. So I'm going to close the lid, let this roll, show you guys what we're looking at after about 15 minutes or so. After 20 minutes cook time, see what we're looking at. Yeah, we're looking pretty good after 20 minutes. Should be getting some nice smoke on it. If I didn't mention it before, I'm using the competition blend, Pit Boss pellets. We're going to let this roll. We'll pick back up and see what it looks like in a bit. We're right in at that 55-minute mark now. And these guys are done. There we go. give it a taste. See how good that rub is. There it is. Finished. Rested. Ready to cut. Barbecue Pit Boys. Poultry powder. Gonna try it out for the first time. See how it is. It's got a nice color on it. So you guys can see. Let's give it a slice right down the center. Look at that. Chicken Cordon Bleu. Give it a slice here. Oh yeah. Cheese is just falling out of it. Nice moist, I can see already. Let's see how that poultry powder tastes. It's good. Wow, I like that. Going for seconds. You guys should pick some of this up if you haven't got any. Gets a thumbs up from me. I can't recommend it more, so check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can get it. You can always get it from the Barbecue Pit Boys, or if you're in Canada, you can hit up the Rub Shack, get it from them. If you guys like this one, you want to try this on your own, go for it. You guys know what to do. Hit the subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. See you guys all on the next one. Bye.